Okay, here we go with another Gino gem, talking about the most basic moving averages, the most common. And this is a gem because, sometimes brand new traders are like, what's the best indicator? What's the best moving average? What's the best chart setup? There's a lot of debate there, and it depends on whether you're a day trader, swing trader, long-term, short-term, what instruments you're trading, that kind of thing. But one thing that's without debate, we have many, many years of experience between us coaches here. Most of us have been trading for over 15, 20 years, even longer. We have a coach who's been trading over 30 years. So we all have different indicators, but one thing we all have in common is when it comes to RSI, OBV, moving averages, MACD, stochastics, all that, every trader I know has moving averages. So without debate, there is a moving average, and you'll even see it in portfolios like you'll see like money managers talking about technical signals, and they always refer to a moving average. Even in your most common like IRAs, or what do you call it? What's the word I'm looking for? Managed portfolios. If they use anything besides fundamentals, they'll use technicals, and that will be a moving average. When you look at traders, what are the most common? This is something you should know. And that is the most common moving averages. I have all different colored here on the chart. And the most common that you'll see in a lot of traders, swing traders, is the 20 exponential. Now, there's a debate between exponential and simple, of course, but the 20, without doubt, you'll see on a lot of charts. The 9 or the 10 is very popular. We prefer the 9 after back testing and trading for many years, the 9 exponential. And then you got your 50. And then you got your 100, which a lot of people discount the 100, but it's been popular for many, many years. And then, of course, finally, the legendary 200-day moving average. By the way, when you look at all these moving average, looking back at this cluster here, it's like it's hard to read them, but guess which one stood up? That 200 right there found support. Right here, you have that 100 found support. You'll look back and each moving average will find support and resistance. Right here, you got the 20. Right here, you got the 9. So they're looked at, but these are the most common. Let me list them here for you so you take a screenshot. Here's the 9, 20, 50, 100, 200. So if you're starting out, or if you're trying to dial in, or you just don't know which indicators there's a million indicators out there, but moving averages by far are mentioned and used the most. And then which moving averages? You've got it right here. Tackle really puts a lot of emphasis on the 9 and 20. And then when you drop into the longer term ones, especially for your portfolio managers and the big accounts out there, they'll use longer term like the 100 and 200. Whether it's simple or exponential is up to you. We have our systems. And by the way, if you want to dive deeper and really understand the most used indicators out there and be a master of them, which I don't know why you wouldn't, we have a course called the Hard 14, where trading coach Mark Justice, he'll break these down to you and give you historical data, and you can make your system based on that. Till then, guys, if you just want the bottom line, there it is right there, the 9, 20, 50, 100, 200. Most commonly used moving averages. This is another Gino gem. Add that to your trading routine if you haven't already. See you next time.